Hey guys, hey look, just putting in a different video for once. Usually our videos are all about our travels and where we're going, what we're doing, etc. But I wanted to do something a little bit different for the first time, and that was I had a bit of an issue that I was noticing on the van, and I got a tyre alignment done. Now we got this done on the road, which was very handy. Didn't have to go mucking around finding little side streets and backing my vans into a shed or anything silly like that. We used a gentleman by the name of Ben from Truckologist, and he's mobile, so he was able to come to us, which is absolutely brilliant. Suited us down to a T. We met him at a roadhouse. We waited for about 15 minutes, and off he came, and you know, got us sorted out. And the job really didn't take long at all. He was also really good enough to allow us to film what he was doing and give us a bit of an explanation about what he was doing. So I wanted to share that with you guys. If you get something out of it, absolutely brilliant. If you don't, please just disregard the video. But please, in the comments, just let me know if you'd like any more of these style of videos. I'm happy to do them for you. I don't want to create problems to be able to show you a video, but what I will do is show you the ones that we do have and the ones that we solve. Look, another one, we are not affiliated with Truckologist at all. We chose them. We paid full price. They were just good enough to let us video, and I just want to share it with you. Okay, guys? So please enjoy. If you don't like the video, please disregard and move on, and we'll see you with our next travel one. All right, guys, enjoy it. All right, gang. First little mechanical, we'll say faux pas or whatever, but on the trip, which is great. We've done over 15,000 Ks, and I think about 8 of those have been with the van, so you're really happy that it's the first one. But look, it's nothing major. You would have seen in previous episodes I mentioned that I was having a bit of trouble with a little bit of scrubbing on the tyres. So that tyre there, which is the passenger side rear on the van, just showing a little bit of scrubbing here, and it's wearing out a lot faster than the other side. So we've got a guy in, Ben's coming from Truckologist, and he's going to do an alignment for us on it, and yeah, just get it all squared away before it becomes a major issue. I don't want something like that to stop us in our tracks on a motorway doing 100 k's an hour. So yeah, we're going to get that sorted today, and then we'll hit the road again and up to Marucci. So all right, guys, I'll show you what he does as he does it. All right, see ya. All right, like I said, we're getting the wheel alignment done on the Caravan here today. So we just pulled into a road truck stop here on off the M1, and we got Ben and Billy here coming to do the work for us. Just working out the back of their ute. They're mobile. It's fantastic. And Ben, what's the name of your company, mate?
Truckologist Mobile Laser Wheel Alignments.
Truckologist Mobile Laser and Wheel Alignments. All right. So we're just setting up at the moment. Well, like I mentioned, we got that bit of scrubbing on this tyre in particular. I don't know if it's coming up too well. It's really wearing a lot on the inside, on the outside here. Very little wear on the inside. But Ben said the other 3 could be fighting it, and that one's just losing the battle as well. So we'll get the whole lot done. Really super simple. We just pulled into the truck stop, and they've come and met us, and off we go. Are you able to talk us through what you're doing here, mate?
So basically I'm just jacking the wheel up to centralise this post with the hub, and then I can get my reading with the laser and the digital level.
Yep. So you lift it up and you do a measure, and then you drop it.
I lift it up and basically just adjust these knobs so that I can centralise the post with the hub, and then I can drop it down and get all my readings.
Beautiful.
So if I didn't do this, you'd get the old wheels run out, and then you get a bodgy wheel on it.
Yep.
None of us want that.
No. And how was it looking Were they a fair way off?
So far this wheel's only been minor adjustments, but we've still got 3 wheels to go yet, so we never know.
Find out.
We sure will.
Excellent, excellent.
You're right to drop him. You're going to get that average, please. So far this one's towing in about 12-13 mil. Beautiful, build up.
Well, a little bit more space on this side.
It sure is.
It's a good thing to have the young fellas with you as well, isn't it?
No, we only need about a metre and a half.
Yep.
Either side of the van.
Yep. Young Billy down there working his ass off for us. Okay. Heaps of room. Alright, and now the bad one. So Ben, you were saying earlier you might have one that's bad.
So the other 3, they've been all minor adjustments, so they've been pretty well bunched up. So I'd say this one's the odd one out.
Yeah, okay. Yep. So, but you were saying earlier that you could have one that's showing, and the other 3 could be fighting the other 3 that are out.
Generally, what happens with the independent suspension is that like 3 out of 4 can be bunched up in sort of the same direction, and then the one that's the odd one out is just the one that gets picked on for the tyre wear.
Yep.
But yeah, other times it can be the complete opposite.
Yep.
But yeah, just the independent suspension, they do funny things.
Yeah, that's true. But either way, it's still worth it. You know, you see the issue, address it straight away.
Yeah, definitely. Especially with the price of tyres these days, it doesn't help.
No, absolutely. We'll see if we can get the guy to make a bit more noise next time.
This one's the one that's towing in.
Yep. Okay.
That's definitely what's doing. Between 5 to 7 mil to the right.
Yep.
And the cambers are from flat to 0.3.
All right. So that doesn't mean a hell of a lot to me, but no, that's awesome. It's a good thing we got a little bit of clearance under this van for Billy there. He's
It's a big boy.
working his ass off. Done good. That's great.
Come a long way since the old pump bob and string line.
That's what I was just saying, the string.
Yeah.
They do trailers, truck trailers as well.
Yeah, we do truck,
Yeah.
trailers, vans, everything except your cars.
Oh yeah.
So, yeah, with the cars, it's just more economical for the customer to go to a tyre shop rather than us come out.
Oh, fantastic. Alright guys, well that was it. Really very simple. I think the whole process took about 35, maybe 40 minutes at tops. We pulled up at the truck stop. We waited about 10, maybe 15 minutes tops because Ben had to come from another job. They got there, got us squared away really quick. And like I say, 35, 40 minutes, we were out of there, paid and everything. Cindy didn't even have enough time to drink her coffee that she went and bought. So look, really happy with it. I hope it pays big dividends for us in much lower wear on the tyres and longer life out of them. But look guys, if you need, please keep a check on your tyres. And if you do need an alignment, go and get it done. It is absolutely worth it. And if you're in the Gold Coast area, please give Ben a call at Truckologists. And yeah, hopefully he can do the same for you as what he did for us. All right, see you next time guys. Bye.